Okay, let's get this stuff inside.
Great job, everyone.
I got the pillow.
All right, family, wave to the camera. Everyone say cheese.
I see hills, pretty.
Best trip ever. All right, wave to everyone.
This is so much fun.
Woo!
This is fun. I love this.
Look at that incredible view, everyone.
It's breathtaking, so peaceful.
Wow, can we go down there?
Maybe tomorrow. Look at that valley. Isn't it amazing?
Wow, it's so big. Can we go down there?
Maybe tomorrow. This water is perfect.
Yeah,
Let's go deeper.
our castle is getting big.
This is magical.
I love the rain.
Best day ever.
We had so much fun. It's getting golden brown.
Perfect. Don't let it burn.
Almost there. Ready for s'mores? These are almost ready.
They smell so good.
Mine's getting huge.
Careful, don't burn it.
This is perfect. These marshmallows are perfect.
Yeah, they're great.
Time for another story.
I have one. A spooky one.
Look at all those stars.
Wow, the Milky Way. Where's the Big Dipper?
Right there, see? Wow, look at all those stars.
That one's so bright. I see the Big Dipper.
That's it.